Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this lamp with a dimmer. This is an actual candle warmer, but it also gives you light. They are adjustable heights and it has heat. It does come with 2 lamps, and so this is adjustable for large, medium, and small candles. Alright, so right here we have our candle warmer. It is offered in 3 different colors. You got black, which is the one right here. There is a black and gold, and then there is a clear, so it is a clear candle holder. So this candle warmer lamp boosts up a dimmer function that lets you customize the brightness and regulate the heat release. So they have an option to go to low all the way up to high, which the higher you go, the more it heats up the candle and the faster it melts. So right here it says it fits various sizes and style candles. So this one does come with 2 bulbs. It is a featuring of a 50-watt GU10 bulb, which is included. The electric candle lamp warmer eventually melts the candle, so you don't have to worry about lighting it up with a lighter. It melts evenly. So right here in the package there is 1 bulb right here. You do get an extra one, which is a nice thing. The fragrance elements from the heating the melting wax via the top wearing the candle, so it makes it smell super nice. You don't have to worry about any open flames involved. There is no smoke or anything coming out. It has a brilliant choice for candles enthusiasts. So if you like having your little side tables with lights, this is a great option because you can put candles in there. So not only do you get light at night, but you also have the candle, so you get the nice scent around your house. So again, this one does come with 2 bulbs. This one is more of the rustic color. This is the black, but they do offer it also in the black and gold, and they do have the clear color. So right here is the user manual. This basically just tells you how to use it, how to connect the bulb, and how to turn it on, how to dim it and lower the light. So this has a telescopic pole that designs it suitable for a wide range. So not only you can get it down to the smaller candles, you can also raise it up to the taller ones. I do have the taller candles, which is about 18 ounces. So these ones here need to be lifted up, which is a great option. So you can have small candles or big candles. This one does accommodate those ones. So this one looks super nice. So there is a warning label here at the top because it does get super hot. So it is cautioning you not to touch this port because it does get hot surface to the touch. So you do not want to touch all of this right here. This whole little piece you do not want to touch. So here on the bottom, it does not flip upside down. You'll actually have to turn the whole thing upside down just to place the bulb in there. So this is the little piece that you will move to lift it or to lower it. So we're going to turn this to the side, and then once we turn this to the side, we're just going to lift up on it and it will extend it up. You can see that it's extending. So if you use those higher candles, you'll want to extend it. If you're using these smaller candles, you can lower it down at the bottom. So right here is where the bulb goes. You do get 2 of them inside this package, which is a nice touch to have before you'll have to replace the bulb. So I'm just going to tighten this up, make sure that it is nice and tight, and then I'm going to grab toward the cord. Around the cord we'll have the dimmable, so you can turn it up high and you can turn it up low. So the higher it is, the basically more the light exceeds, which heats the candle a lot faster. So if you do a lower setting, it actually still warms up the candle, but it doesn't do it as fast. So right here is the dial. You've got this side that goes to the left that goes higher, and then you got the right side that goes up lower. So it's just a button that you just turn left or right. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. So right now I got the bulb. I'm going to take the bulb out of here and I'm going to place it inside the lamp. So this is super easy. All you have to do is just turn this upside down. There is the ridges on the side. You just pop them right in there, twist it sideways, and then it should lock in place. So now the bulb is in place. So now I'm going to plug it up into the wall, and then I'm going to add my candle, and then I'll turn the candle on so you can see the different settings, to the high settings all the way down to the lowest settings. So now I'm just going to lift this up. As you can see that this candle is a lot bigger. This one is about 18 ounces, so I have to lift it all the way up. Now if you use a smaller candle, you'll want to lower it down, that way it gets closer to the candle, because you want it to heat it up. Once it heats it up, it'll start melting it and you can start smelling the candle. So now I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to turn off my light so you can see it, what it looks like. So right now I have the light off and I'm going to turn on the candle light. So the light is lowest right now. Now it's off, and now I'm going to turn the setting from the lowest to the highest so you can see the different settings. This is the highest. It is super bright, and then when you turn it, it'll go to the lowest setting. So basically what this does, it melts a candle evenly. You don't have to worry about any flames or any smoke. So basically you still get the smell, but you don't get no flames or any smoke. And I like the fact that it looks more rustic and it goes with my side table. So not only do I get light at nighttime, I also get the smell of candles. And this one bulb is actually a heating light bulb. So it does heat up the candle, and it is recommended not to touch the back part of it because it gets too hot. So this is what the candle looks like in there. I don't have to worry about any flames. This one here is the bigger candle, so it is suitable for the small, medium, and large candles, but you just need to adjust the light. So if you're looking for a nice night light that actually has a candle, I would highly recommend checking this one out.